There's so much pain in my body, it's like that old town road, yeah. And I don't think they can stop me, cause to the top, yeah, that's where I go, yeah. What's up, everybody? As you know, live trading session. Fix that a little bit. Booyah. It's been a while since I've been on here, man. I ain't really trading none the whole month of December, so we're gonna get right into it though. As y'all already know, the rules. I'm gonna read them out right quick because I got a 20K challenge account. So before you trade, read these rules. Number one, only risk about $50 to $100 per trade. Number two, max 3 trades, no matter how good the next setup looks. Number three, take only confirmation entries when scalping in 1 minute, which means look for on the second time frame and wait for criteria to be met. Number four, always put a hard stop loss in before placing a trade. Number five, don't enter a trade off FOMO or thinking it's going to leave without you. It doesn't matter if it goes without you. It's better than losing a trade. Number six, rule of 30. It's best to look for 5-minute order blocks for trades and look on a 5-second time frame for an entry. Number seven, be more patient. If you lose a trade, from now on, wait at least 3 minutes before taking another trade. And number eight, risk is if it's a 2-pip stop instead of 1 pip. So if I have a 1-pip stop and I can supposedly risk 5 lots, I should lower my risk to 2.5 lots. So yeah, that makes sense to everybody? Huh? Does that make sense to everybody? It was a setup I was looking at on gold, but most likely it took too long for me to get everything right in this hole. So I probably missed it a bit. Anyway, let's kind of look at it. Yeah, this was the setup I had seen on gold. And I was gonna look in here while it was wicking out in here. I was gonna look for some setups, even though it really ain't dropped the ball on them, you know what I'm saying? But it did just break structure. So we do have a new area. We can look for trades on in here. And y'all know for right now, I'm only gonna trade Euro USD, XAU USD, which is gold, and US 30. Kind of sick right now, y'all. So bear with me. Euro USD. I mean, nothing really. It's all right, but like I said, nothing really. You got your 2 breaks. So we get a test in here. That'll be nice, right? And then the last pair we're looking at US 30. Huh. And being honest, I had an area of demand on a high time frame. It's weird though, you know. I mean, maybe we could look for bullishness, but I would like to see price actually give me something tangible. Go, yeah, wait on that joint to come back to our area. Yeah, I went ahead and bought gold. Um, buy stop type of entry because it kind of took some liquidity before rising back up. So let's kind of see. Yeah, stop loss will be under that wick, 1839.35. As y'all can see, I'm in this trade right now. And draw down. Kind of entered a little late. I mean, if you ask me, it was a decent setup because this is like a liquidity grab. It came, swept liquidity, and pushed away from that area heavily. Just the waiting game, it was 30, ain't really doing nothing. Euro USD, not really doing nothing. Could be a loss. I might clip it early. You know how I go, or I might just let it hit my stop loss. That was an L. I'm losing more than I expected. $200. That's cool though. Just gonna kind of watch it, see if we can get a double break of structure. Because it's in our zone now. We was initially looking for it to tap into. This is a 1 minute zone, so kind of like what US 30 just did. I mean, we already know we're looking for bullishness to play out on US 30. So if I can get the price to come back down in here, no entry, no dice. Price just kept dropping. But if we can get a double break to happen on gold, which would be boom, boom, we'll look for an entry down at demand zone right there. Need to see a second break. US 30, dice, Euro USD. Could be coming back to the area we was looking at. Go. Gotta still wait on that junk. Like this could be an accumulation, so we gonna kind of see if we can get some type of spring. Well, this zone right here is Now, invalid. But as y'all know, I trade by the rule of inducement, right? So it could be tapping back into this zone right here. It just was a 1 minute zone to continue up. And we can kind of refine it to this right here. It's our area now. Now we need to see price give us some upwards type of movement. I know gold like to do absorption, so we could see price push up from here. I would like to see it kind of show me that it wants to go up, right? Man, that was it right there. Could reverse from this area too. We kind of watch it. See how it play out. Ain't rushing no interest though. I didn't enter because I was trying to place a buy stop, and it pushed up too quick for me to even get an entry on it. But I would have entered in this trade, which is the crazy part. See if we can get a test back in this area, or we can get in on a different break instruction. All right, I'm entered in this trade now. Just stop my app. Hit my last trade. Oh, I'm actually entering this trade now. And it's in profit. Pushing up. It's at my first take profit. So we gonna take partials. And we're gonna put our stop loss at break even. As y'all know, we following price up. So right now we at a 1 to 4. Stop loss now at break even on this trade. So whatever happens now, that's just what happens, man. I just gotta get used to placing buy stops. But obviously, we're gonna be targeting areas all the way up here Prices pushing up now. We up 120. So we're just gonna let this trade do what it do. Buy stop interest always do better. I kind of had too much risk on that first trade. I was only supposed to lose like between $50 and $100, but I ended up losing $200. So that was like a two trade loss. But the other trade I lost, I only lost $70. So that was it. Kind of evened out, but at the same time, it's like you got to pay attention to how much you're risking. Like on gold, it's harder to pay attention to your risk, like because it doesn't really say like it's not as clear as Forex pairs, but stop loss kind of under there. But yeah, we up 160 on this trade right now. And we took partials, which was $90. We took $90 partials. We up almost 200. And yeah, we're just gonna keep that joint at break even and probably partial out. Take more partials right there at the top of that range. Yeah. Winning trade. Obviously I ain't traded in a minute, so I gotta get back in the groove of things, man. But so far we 1 for 3 for the day, you know. 1 out of 3 of the trades we took did good. So yeah, man. Probably gonna update y'all with if this trade came and hit break even or not later. And yeah, man. Hopefully this trade goes the distance. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it is giving other interests. I mean, this little area right here could have been looked at as an entry, but obviously it ran through that zone, so it wouldn't have been the best entry. But other than that, man, this was a good trade. We're gonna let it roll. We're gonna let it rock. We're gonna let it do what it do. We're gonna keep pushing towards whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that makes sense. It's 15 minutes on that was formed right here. 15 seconds on that form right here. But yeah, man, I'm gone. I got stuff to do. I took my 3 trades for the day. Last trade is still in. If I'm still in the trade tomorrow, I'll probably be up a lot. If I'm not still in the trade tomorrow, then it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep it pushing. Go keep it pushing, baby. And yeah, my voice kind of this is how I talk when I first wake up. Hope y'all like the voice. You know, I ain't feel like being too comedic today, man. I'm tired, man. I just got over COVID. You know what I'm saying? So COVID ain't no fun for nobody, man. It's whooping my ass. You know what I'm saying? So, but we back and we better. I want you bad as ever.